Okay friends, welcome to our channel. So today we will make our new model, that is wrench handle. As you see here in your screen, we have made this with the help of tool command using blend, and in this we will show you how to make this by using blend tool command here, only this. So let's make to start. Choose here different window, select here new, part, solid, and untick here use default tablet, so that we will choose here our units. Click OK. Now select here MMNS part solid and click OK. Now our window has opened. Now select here top plane in model tree, sketch. Go to here circle. Make one circle from origin point. And here give the dimension as 41 mm diameter, and we have to divide this circle in 4 equal parts, because in our model we have our square. Because of the square having 4 corners, so that's why we are making this. Click OK. Now go to here shapes and select here blend tool command. In blend tool command, go to sections, select here selected sketch, choose this our geometry, go to insert, select here blend now, then go to section. In section select the selected sketch, or I will choose here sketch section. Go to insert, and here it shows choose your height, so I will choose here 20 mm height. Select here sketch. Now again we will make here one circle, so select this origin point, press here middle mouse button and apply here 42 mm diameter. Now divide this circle again, select here divide, like this we have to divide it. And click OK. Our section should create like this. So again go to section, select here insert, and this time make it 12 mm height, sketch, again we will make one circle, so select here circle, make it from origin point, make sure of it, and press middle mouse button. And this time I will make it 26 mm dia. Now again divide the circle here in 4 equal parts, so that it will make here corner. I will make this properly. So make this 26 mm dia. Select here divide. And click OK. Now our section is made properly. So go to section again, select here sketch section, and here go to insert. We have to make another height, so make it 13 mm and select here sketch, same as it is, but this time we will make here rectangle. So I will choose here center rectangle, make it from origin point and press middle mouse button. But here our arrow should go like this, in this direction. So I will delete some lines and again I will make them join. Go to here line command, make here one line. And make sure it will be complete geometry. Make this square as 30 by 30 and simply just click OK. Now our model is made properly here. Simply I just click here OK in blend tool command. Now again we have to make here one model here, one geometry model. So select this top face of it, go to sketch tool command and apply here references in your left side. I will select this edges of the square and close it. Now go to rectangle command, make the rectangle from center of origin and press middle mouse button to exit it. Now simply just click OK. This time I will go to here plane, select here plane, data plane and select this face and make sure the distance will be 220 mm and click OK. Now our plane has applied here. So select this plane and go to sketch, normal to profile. Select here again rectangle and press the middle mouse button. Now length will be here 75 mm and width will be 0.45. It will be 0.45 mm. It will make it very small. I hope you seen it. And simply just click here OK in your right side. Now again go to blend tool command and this time I will go to here section, selected sketch, select this section first insert and select this section. See, this is applied here. As you can see the preview of it. Again I will show you this. And simply just click OK. So our model has completed here. Only we have to give some appearances that I will give it. Go to your render tool command and go to your appearances. I will choose here green color and press your control button. Select all these surfaces that you want and just click OK. Now again go to appearances and this time I will choose here more appearance. Go to here in classic as wood. And I will choose here as beach. OK. Select here control button in your keyboard. Apply all this surface that you want and just click OK. It is applied here. I will show you here some render. So go to here render window. See, now it looks like this, as you see in here. So our model has completed here. I hope you like our session. Please subscribe our channel so that we will make more projects for you in PTC Creo. Thank you for watching it.